Greetings and salutations. Welcome to this episode of the Tim and Borg Show. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing review, first test of this Android tablet that I bought from eBay. It's slightly generic, but it's not really generic at all. Actually, it's got a brand, it says right there. XGODY, which seems to be a common one. I saw other people reviewing on YouTube too, so I thought it should be safe to buy. Watched a couple of videos of theirs and stuff like that. Alright, just opening it now with my hand. I was gonna use scissors, but yeah, no cameraman, so it's just me filming with the tripod this time, so at least you should be thanking me for getting the tripod, to be honest. Alright, so Shenzhen something technology. I love that. I really do, to be honest, actually. Alright, cool. Apex SE Specialist Limited, apparently. Manchester, England. So they got all these other locations around the world. They're in international companies, basically all this is telling me. And that it's an ebook, photograph, games, music, and online videos. Exactly what I bought it for, stuff like that. Yeah, so I haven't bought a tablet in ages. My last one was very old and crap and obsolete. And anyway, this one's got like 256 megabytes of storage and 16 gigabytes of memory. So here we go, we're opening it up, pulling it out, unboxing. This is my unboxing. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. And there's something on here too. Note, in the emergency of a low battery state, causing the tablet cannot power on. Please keep the charger connected to the device for 30 minutes before doing anything. Please use 5 volts 2 amp charger. Sorry, I wasn't looking at the camera and I wasn't filming the right spot. Yep, okay then. So we'll see if it has enough power to turn on. Ooh, doing that, yeah. That is nice. Well, it's basically telling me I should plug it in for half an hour before even turning it on. According to that, we'll see if it works. I think, yes, let's have a look around at it. Ooh, that's very nice, isn't it? And the camera here, look. That's nice, isn't it? Yes, I can touch the screen because I've got it in that direction at the moment, so I can tell the camera to focus on things when I want it to. Yeah, like then, see? I did it 3 times in a row. Well, let's zoom into that if I can. What does it say? Stop moving. Now I'm the wobbly person. Okay. Some stuff. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Lovely. XGODY. XOD. XGOD. Oh, I'm a bit dyslexic, and when I see new words like that, I don't know what to do. X G X I don't even know how to pronounce X and then G after it. XG XGOD. Alright, anyway. Hi there. English. Next. Start. Maybe I should put this back on the table. Oh, we hadn't quite finished the unboxing. I did press that. Okay. I'll just get closer with the... Excuse me, with the camera movement. But I'm just getting the tripod closer to the table. Sorry, things in the way, of course. Oh, that was a bit jerky, wasn't it? Okay. Okay, I hadn't actually finished the unboxing technically either. So, paper in here, yes. Warranty stuff usually. Okay. Warranty or something. No, parental controls. Thought it said warranty. Okay, stupid software. Android table quick start guide. Tablet, I meant to say. Yep. I don't know why I said that. Other thing. It's a very thick manual, actually, to be honest. It's amazing. And I get a cable. Yes. Doesn't feel like there's anything else in here. I'll just double check. So yeah, no power supply or there's no other accessories. I didn't get with it a thing that it goes into. I thought I maybe was buying one that had that with bundled things with it. Like I thought I was supposed to get a case. Oh, I'll have to double check that. Maybe I can complain to the seller of misleading advertising if it's true. Anyway, so this cable is USB-C. So that's a great thing about buying new technology. It's not stupid micro USB anymore. And we get USB-C, actually decent. So I've got to connect it and all this stuff. Set up offline. Okay. Definitely not in Shenzhen. Sydney. Is that correct? I don't know. What's the date today? Oh, my watch is even wrong. Shit. I don't know. Who cares? Set a pin. Oh, God. Should I have to do that? I don't want to. Yeah, it's going to ask me to log into Google and all that stuff, just like Microsoft forces you to do that with. Oh, no, it's letting me do it offline. I guess I can do it later. That's exactly what I wanted to do. I've got to put it back down because that's too wobbly. Oh, and I've got to turn that light off because it's glaring. Better? Yes. The problem is I need to like zoom in or something. Oh, I can zoom. Oh, wow. So I didn't know my camera could zoom like that when I was watching videos, recording videos. All right, let's because I can't quite get closer with the tripod. Oh, just to get it right. Oh, too much slightly. Nah, still too much slightly. Okay, that's perfect. All right, cool for where it is right now. How cool is this? So yeah, YouTube. Let's try it. This has got higher specs than my my mobile phone, so it should actually run faster. And that did load up pretty quickly, I guess. And I'm not on the internet, so I can't test that. Oh man, I've got to do all that stuff, but I can't be bothered right now. Ooh, I'm not connected. Ooh, no connection. Okay, clear. What apps do we get? Oh yeah, cool. I just guessed that would work and it did. I'm pretty happy with this already, to be honest. It seems pretty awesome. Yeah, it's got all the basic stuff that you would want. There's a camera, it has a camera. Let's test that since it's not online, there's not many things I can really do. Oh, it's a child's camera thing, that one. Okay. So there's like all these kiddie programs on there if you want to give it to a kid to play with. Here's the normal camera. Oh, right, yeah. That's the thing underneath it. Yeah. The table. So that's cool. I can probably rotate it. Has it got two cameras? Yeah, it does. So this camera does look quite good. Oops. Just accidentally took a dud photo. Yeah, where is the rotate thing? Oh, yeah, here it is. Oh, now you can see me. Oh, my hair's messed up. Oh my God, I need another haircut. Okay. So. Yep. Back there. Anyway, this is a 10-inch, by the way, so it's quite large compared to a phone. But that looks cool, doesn't it? And so now you can see me and that tripod I was telling you about that's holding my phone. Whoops. Yeah. I did it again. What features has it got, I wonder? Can it do beauty mode? I don't know. Where is that? Because I need it. I don't know. Must be in the settings, I'm not sure. It's confusing. What's that do? Okay, more. Maybe it's there. QR scan. No. Okay. Yes, it's very cool, isn't it? How do I get it off? Whoa, look at that. Settings came up. Zoom out. Okay. Hmm. What's this Gemini thing? I was probably going to say it needs to be connected. Yeah, and signed in. God. Everything else will require that, I reckon. So that's it anyway, but that's cool for first impressions. Alright, so I'll call it a review, and for so far I reckon I would give this a 9 out of 10. Yeah. For what it is, I don't know, I paid like about $106 or something to the seller, which is pretty good. And yeah. Sorry, trying to adjust the camera again. I probably shouldn't do that though. Well, that's pretty good selection of basic software there. Clock. Is it the time right? I don't know. Okay. Well, I think it's been pretty good. So tell me what you think of it. And drop a comment as usual. Subscribe for more videos like this and many more. My channel's not a micro niche. So I've got lots of topics. Go check out the rest of my channel. I've got videos about everything like gaming and cars and doing AI music, and I've got music covers, and I've got original music, and I write music sometimes and things like that. All right, yeah, so have a good day. All the best. Till next time. See you later, alligator.